Our company is based in West Bengal, India, and we have been manufacturing quality kidswear for the past 8 to 9 years. And, we have a production capacity of around 5 lakh pieces per month, and turnover is also above 10 million USD. And we have been trying to export also in the Middle East and everywhere. And basically, we are trying to give our customers quality product in best rates. Our main USP is the rates, that we have a very quality product in cheap rates. We basically all over India, our products are going northeast and Delhi, UP, Punjab, Maharashtra, everywhere.
And how has your journey been in the textile industry? If you can give us a brief about it.
Yeah, it was nice. We have been doing the work for not much, like 7-8 years only. So we have been learning from the business itself and growing as much as we can. And, we came here to explore that only. And this is our first expo outside India. We have been doing it a lot inside India, but first time we have been doing it outside India in Dubai here. In India, we are based in Howrah in Calcutta.
And do you all have any stores, or it's only manufacturing?
No, we are manufacturers and we only sell to the wholesalers in bulk quantities, so we don't have any retail chain or anything. We have a wide range of variety of products in ours. We have 3-piece cord sets with jackets, then we have shirt patterns, we have different gallage items, and from 6 months child to 8 years old, we have everything for them. Different types of, if they want shirts, if they want gallage, if they want 3-piece or suspender suits. So there are various various type of patterns available. We have like this type of things, same to same for the kids.
Lovely.
So there are various products which they can select.
And what kind of quality checks, or what kind of techniques
Yeah,
do you
we are very strict about it, and we have our own QC department in the factory itself. So first they go through that. Then once ironing has been done, then while packing also we do a second quality check also. So we are very strict about our quality standard, that once it reach the buyer, they don't have to separate out any rejection or anything in the